Okay guys, we're going grocery shopping. We got a SUV rent, going with friends. We're going to split the cost, and yeah, going to Jumbo, and I think they want to take us on a hike. I don't know about hiking. I'm not old, and my joints don't work, but we're going to go hike and then try a grocery shop. Wear us out for grocery shopping.
Let's see how this works.
Okay, we made it to the dock. I told Corey he has to wear clothes in the grocery store,
No,
but
I bet you it's not.
where? I don't know which.
He said it was already posted, but
Yeah, maybe it's that fancy one over there. The fancy red one. That gets tickets in the U.S. Okay, me and my babe going grocery shopping. Got AC in here. Too early. Okay guys, we're looking for this waterfall.
No, not that far.
Look at this terrain out here. This is where we at.
Get the girls' boobs we
This is nothing compared to the road it took us.
And Corey said get the girls jiggling back there.
This is at least flat. The other one was.
There we go. We got some ponies out here.
The baseball field. Is that a baseball field? No.
That's a basketball field.
Oh, that's basketball.
Oh.
That's baseball.
We are going where no gringo has gone before.
Oh, lots of gringos go this way. There's reviews on Google that say otherwise.
And no radios.
No radios.
No. Loud music.
Yeah.
Off to the waterfall. The girls leading the way. And I forgot my socks, so I'm in flip-flops for this hiking adventure. Okay, my babe is making it slimy. Corey's all the way over there. Okay, my babe is making it down the hill. This is pretty steep.
I know. How the hell did you guys get down this so quick?
Just walk, babe.
Just wait for it.
Just jump. Here's one of them treacherous cliffs that the only reason it's treacherous is because it's dirt and they cave in on you. Right here is a campsite. Oh, it is. It's not very tight. So the trail does give you directions. I'll get you some more. I'm guessing we're getting closer. My flip-flops are wet, so my feet are sliding around. My wife tried to save me from myself, but I dropped my socks and they're probably in the dinghy still. The water is getting clear, so we must be getting closer. So if you want to come here on your own, they do have the trail marked. Okay, we're stopping and looking at the big tree. Yep. So, it is a big tree. Okay guys, I think we made it. We're done.
I'll let you know tomorrow when I can't walk.
Okay, my babe is going to try to do this.
I'm going to walk through the water.
Be careful, babe. This is a cocoa tree. Yeah, because cocoa in its natural form tastes like crap. Well, I think we're almost there. There's the crew. Leave me, of course. Holding my lonesome. Yeah, but they said this is going to be a short hike. Easy hike. But it's it's been a long time since we've been hiking. Okay, so if you're coming through here, this is you have to be kind of physically able. You'll say that? So you're saying my butt can get through there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're in the final stretches. We're getting there. There it is. My babe's all walking in the water and shit. He's like, I'm done with the rocks. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, babe's getting in the water. Is it cold? Oh yeah. My babe. Okay, one thing I don't like about here is the trash. There's a baby diaper back over there. So realities are coming out in a third world.
Normally I would pick it up and bring it back, but
I'm not picking up a baby diaper. Okay, my babe is making it. Thank you, Corey.
You're welcome.
They said, come on a trail, look at the scenery, it'll be so fun. And the whole time you're looking down. Okay, this is the, I guess, halfway point, and this is where you can actually take a pre-dip before the waterfall or an after dip when you're coming back. There's my babe, she's just sitting there. And I know y'all guys keep on saying, I call her my babe a lot because she is my babe. Oh no, don't do that, baby. Oh no. But yeah, she is my babe. Okay, we're out here in the middle of this rocky shit. My flip-flops are full of rocks now. And this is better. Okay, we made it back. And her sole fell off of her shoes. Those are your nice shoes too. You're only.
I've had them for 12 years.
Yeah. So we came back. Our tour guide brought us through all the rocks. Wasn't the greatest. If you got the tour guide, don't go through the rocks. Oh yeah, that looks like a water shoe right there.
Oh, I could save them as water shoes.
Yeah, they will work. Okay guys, we made it through the Torture Fest. Oh, it was fun. And
welcome to the Warrens vacations.
But yeah,
yeah,
my babe lost both her shoes. Both bombs are coming off. And now we're gonna go to and now we're gonna go get find some food to replenish what we weren't off.
And cervezas.
And cervezas.
Yes,
Must. Okay, we're now trying to go out to eat. My babe, she's finally drying off.
Yeah, they're almost dry.
She looks at me.
Shut up, Corey. Okay, guys, so we went to, what was that thing called? Jolly Rogers. Pretty good. And then had some lot lizards pass through. And then I had some guy on a motorcycle trying to sell me nose candy. I'm not into nose candy, but
It's delicious.
so yeah, that's our experience there. Yeah, but it was weird. I've never had somebody, because Corey's like trying to get his attention. I guess he wants some nose candy. So we're looking here. This is the beach, but we can't anchor out there because look at that swell. That would rock our world. If the boats are rocking, don't come a knocking.
That's not true. Please don't even see
Okay,
it.
guys, my babe's favorite show, Fraggle Rock. It's
Where's
over there.
Fraggle Rock?
It's like behind you.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, go to the Fraggle Rock bar. Okay, guys, we made it, and getting offered nose candy. And how many massages you getting, baby, here? Yeah, all kinds of massages, and I'm guessing Yeah, this is exciting here, but we made it. We're going to get some groceries and wind down.
I would have.
My wife's poor shoes.
I would have brought it. And I would have glued it back on.
Supposedly this is the Asian sensation store where you get all the Asian herbs.
I'm really looking for a bathroom.
Oh yeah, baño necesita. Yay, my wife is looking at the pasta and pasta sauces. But yeah, there's a...
I'm really wanting to do some kind of pesto.
Okay, you can do that. I don't know what pesto is, but yeah. It looks fun. It looks fun.
I'm not going to find any specialty things anywhere, so.
Yeah, if it's Goya, it's gotta be good, correct? This store is pretty big in here. Yeah, it's a pretty big store. They have minced garlic, but it's in olive oil. My wife is looking for horseradish. I said there's great poupon right there, but that's not exactly what she wants. Oh, that is horseradish. Oh, wow. She's getting loaded up on that.
You can add it to, it's kind of an expensive store. This is where you come to go to get the little things you can't find anywhere else. Korean barbecue sauce.
Well, if it's got Chinese on it, you know it's real. She's in heaven right now.
That's awesome. You know what I'm looking for is drunken noodles. Wasabi sauce, Dave.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, get wasabi, definitely. The big one. Oh, yeah.
It should be good.
Oh, yeah.
Looks pretty good.
That's in good shape. So they're teasing my wife. It says cream and mushroom right here. No cream and mushroom.
It should be good in a pasta.
Yeah, so she's got to get that. We're probably going to get the cheddar cheese too. Okay guys, we just finished grocery shopping, Jumbo. That was exhausting. And now I think we got some refreshments for the road.
Road soda.
Road sodas.
Thank you. Oh,
And I
yeah.
don't even know.
So, y'all, check it out. Holy crap, guys, we have a snake on our boat.
What kind of snake is that?
I don't know. It's a green one.
Get it out.
I have to tie my wife back on.
I got it.
So I have nothing to get the snake off of. Just jumped in the water. It's not going towards the dinghy. Okay, I don't know what kind of snake that is. I'll have to look that up. That's a green and light green snake. I didn't look at the eyes, but yeah, that's interesting. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's the first snake. I thought Corey actually put a rubber snake on our boat. That's what I thought it was. Yeah, and it's probably gonna come back to our boat. So I know. I'll get. Okay guys, after battling snakes, Leah, we're up here. We're gonna do lunch with Leah. Dinner with Leah, yes. Well, but that's what, it's a squash soup or something. Yeah, I did trim that off because.
Good. I don't think so.
No, it's not.
A second.
My babe's getting her squash on. Squash soup.
It's delicious.
It is delicious. I tried a little bit.
I didn't feel like cooking today, and I was like, what are you doing for dinner tonight?
Okay guys, so look at this. I've already eaten most of it, but there was potatoes here. And yeah, but it's really good.